It's a beautiful day here in Westbrook, Connecticut, and it is the perfect day for me to show you this brand new Sea Ray 230 SDX outboard. The 230 SDX has replaced the 230 SPX in the lineup, and I want to really highlight some of the really nice changes and features that you're getting with the new SDX. Starting at the aft of this 230 SDX outboard, we have the Mercury 250 horsepower V8 Verado on this thing. It moves very nicely, and I love that in the back port quarter here we have access to our battery compartment and our battery switches. And as you can see, we have USBs back here with cup holders, this beautiful large sun pad as well. This is probably most people's favorite spot. The 230 SDX has a really nice seating layout, as you can see. But what I really like is that with this sun pad back here being so popular, they made this backrest actually articulate. Pop it up and down. That way, when you are on the sun pad, you have a more comfortable place to rest your head. Pop it right back up, and now your backrest is back for your cockpit seating. As we make our way into the cockpit here, we have a hatch, which is an insulated ice box that is self-draining, so that you can fill that up with ice, throw all your drinks in there, and you don't have to worry about draining it at the end of the day. Coming further into the cockpit, as you can see, we have this nice large Bimini sunshade here. It does close completely up to the water sports arch here, so that if you do want sun during the day, you have it. But we also have this power tower on a 23-foot day cruiser. By the press of a button on the screen, this actually drops down and back up. That way you can get under those really low bridges, especially up here in New England. You have the sports water tower, which means that you need dedicated storage for all of your water sports toys. And the Sea Ray 230 SDX gives you exactly that. As we come into the cockpit here, we have dedicated storage underneath this port side lounge, and we have more in-deck storage here. But what's really popular is the technical compartment that you have right underneath your sun pad that you can put tubes, wakeboards, anything that you need. Come check it out. As you've seen already, versatility is in the DNA of this 230 SDX. We have articulating a backrest on the sun pad, and we also have articulating backrests at the helm and at the co-pilot's chair. Both of these will move forward and backwards, so that when you're at the dock or when you're at anchor, everybody can be facing each other and use this thing as a living room. And I specifically love these because when you flip that back, you also have a flip-up bolster on both the captain and co-captain's chairs. That way, if you want to lean and sit higher, you can. The 230 SDX is probably the only 23-foot bow rider in the industry right now where you can get two separate Simrad 12-inch screens. That way, you can keep an eye on the charts and you can keep an eye on your engine diagnostics and not have to look at a super small screen. We also have trim tabs on this as well. That way you can make your ride as comfortable as you possibly can. We have the digital throttle control with Mercury Active trim, so you don't have to worry about trimming out your outboard at all. The big change on this 230 SDX is the head compartment. The head compartment has been upgraded, oversized, so that you have plenty of extra storage and you have plenty of space to get down there. Go check it out. The port side console is still here. You still have the storage as you usually would. You have dedicated stereo module on that as well. That way the passenger can control the music. Don't worry though, you can still control all of the music as the captain through the Simrad screens. We also have a little glove box up here that is self-draining as well. That way you can put your phone, you can put your wallet up there, no problem. The 230 SDX's bow seating area has been maximized as well by making that centerline walkthrough that we used to have on the SPX to an off-center walkthrough. We have this nice big bench seat right here, and you actually now have room for 3 people to be sitting facing forward. You have that chaise, you have the seat right next to it, and another chaise on the port side here. But you are now able to get several people sitting in a more U-shaped seating, more like a living room or a cockpit. Another thing that I love about this SDX is the padding on the sides up here in the bow are much thicker. They're actual padding, which can really help throughout a long day out in the water, especially if it's a little bumpy. But coming up to the bow, you open up the anchor locker and you have a beach boarding ladder and a manual anchor. Thank you for touring the all-new redesigned Sea Ray 230 SDX Outboard with me today. If you have any questions or you want to come check out the boat, please feel free to give us a call and we'll see you out on the water.